DJM TV.
Good morning, my people. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, my people. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Ooh. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So I have a new song for you before I continue my walk. Good morning. Thank you for joining. Please share, please share. Please share. As you join, please share. Thank you for joining. So let's sing this song quickly while we wait for other people to join us, yeah? You are all aware of the genocide going on in Nigeria. Good morning. Please share, please share. Good morning, please share. So the genocide has continued. We've had 110 people killed by the so-called bandits. And we are saying enough is enough. You see, so we thought before that it was just the Christians and maybe the, people living in the north. But now they are killing people in the south. They've killed even all the farmers in, or almost all the farmers in Borno State. And the UN says it's 110 as opposed to the 43 people that were announced before. So a lot of them have been buried, according to Islamic rites. But this thing is getting messy. So it's no longer business as usual. It's no longer the Senate can impeach this man. Why can't the Senate impeach him? What are they scared of? Have they bribed the parliamentarians with money? House of Rep, senators, what are you waiting for? Somebody like Ovie Omo Agege, who is a Deltarian, a learned senior advocate of Nigeria, people have just been dumb. People can no longer speak. We have the vice president, who is also a senior advocate of Nigeria, even before his position as the VP. A lawyer watching all this oppression going on. Everybody is numb, everybody is deaf, everybody is dumb. You know why? They are scared of the dictator. So this dictator man must go. Please share this video. Buhari should resign. If Buhari cannot resign, the Senate and the House of Rep or whoever is in charge, they can impeach him. This man is a dictator. If you are a military man, you've done your military, sit down for your house with your military. Why must you keep oppressing people? This man is oppressing us. So let's sing this song quickly while we wait for more people to join us. I'm actually going for my walk and I thought I should do this very quickly. Let's sing this song quickly. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Give Nigeria peace. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Give Nigerians peace. The leaders of tomorrow deserve peace. Buhari must resign now. Give Nigeria peace. Share this video. Keep sharing the video until Buhari sees this video. Keep sharing this video. He has killed our children. I'm a mother. I will not take this. You have killed our children. You are now killing even your own people. So who is behind this terrorism? We don't know. People who have been speaking about peace are suddenly dumb and deaf. Vice President Oshibanjo, a man of God, a pastor, a lawyer, is suddenly deaf and dumb. The senators, all the people, anybody that talks, they will go and arrest him. Somebody like Abaribe, that man has been speaking. They go and arrest him. Somebody like, they've put fear in everybody's mind. Fear. People cannot talk again in their own country. This is oppression. And the genocide is too much. So please, guys, share. And as you share, let the whole world know that there's genocide going on in Nigeria. They are killing our people, including the Muslims. Now they started killing the farmers. You see, there is no food. People go out there to farm, and you're killing them. They can't come back to their family. Look at the whole... When I saw the dead bodies that were being buried according to Islamic rites, I was scared. I've been watching CNN, watching, what's it called? Channel Arise. Oh, may God bless Arise TV. They've been giving us real details. Now, only yesterday, the mothers came out and said, enough is enough with all what is going on. They've put so much fear on people that people cannot even speak.
DJM TV.
In their own country. The only people who cannot protest are people who are dead. If you are alive and well, peaceful protest is our right. What I'm doing now is a peaceful protest. I'm telling the whole world that I'm not happy. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining. No. Sunday Leo. It's not 43. It's even 110, my dear. It's even 110. It's not 73. It's not 43. The UN says it's 110. So these killings must stop. It must stop. Please, let's share this video. If you have joined, tag your friends and let's share this video. The killings must stop. Please share this video. Please share this video. We sing the song again. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Nigeria needs peace. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Nigeria needs peace. We deserve peace in our own country. Buhari must resign now. We deserve peace. Go back to Daura. Go back to Daura. Go back to Daura. We deserve peace. Even Castina people no want you. Buhari, you are a fuck up. You deserve chaos. Buhari don't mess up big time. And all we are praying for this man, if you are really alive, because we have heard all sorts of stories. If you are really alive, you will not have peace. If you have children and wife, they should tell you now that your game is up. Resign. Our people say now, where dance they sweet. Now that they stop them. You have been there for 5-6 years, nothing to show. In fact, it is getting worse. No food, no security, and even the farmers, innocent men and women who went to the farm to cater for their families, you are watching them being killed. America came the other day to pick up their own that was kidnapped right under our eye. But you and your military, you are there sharing big money. Big money. Today they will say so and so billion. Next tomorrow so and so trillion. Zioku. So and so billion. So and so trillion. Where all the money where una done they use since? Where is all the money, all the dollars that you claim to have been buying? What's it called? You claim to have been buying weapons. Where is the money? Where the weapon? You even our young officers, you send them to war front with nothing. They've been killing people. Buhari, you will not go free. You will face the international court. You and your cabals, you and your people. Now, the advisors around him cannot even tell him the right thing. Oh, Rankadede. Oh, Sai Baba. There's no Sai Baba there. Buhari must resign. Senate and whoever is in charge, please impeach this wicked man. He's a wicked man. You cannot continue to kill people and go free. You are not bigger than your God. Our God is our shelter in the midst of the storm. But before the storm go finish, thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Please bring those hearts and those thumbs up. I'm appreciating it. Thumbs up, hearts, and share. Share. I need those thumbs up and those hearts. Keep sharing this video. Keep sharing. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Nigeria needs peace. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Buhari must resign now. Nigeria needs peace. People like Femi Adesina, all are confused. Even Oshibanjo is confused. Nigeria needs peace. Oviomo Agege, you are a Deltarian. Speak up. Oviomo Agege, you are a Deltarian. Speak up. Nigeria needs peace, we deserve peace. Buhari must resign now, we deserve peace. Stop killing our youths, they are the leaders of tomorrow. Stop killing our youths, they are the leaders of tomorrow. Buhari must resign now, Buhari must resign now, Buhari must resign now. Nigeria needs peace. Haba, we don't tire for the wickedness. Yeah, Isa, we don't tire, Buhari. You have closed everybody's mouth. Even the people that used to talk before cannot talk again because they are scared. Any little thing, you go to people's house and kill them. You said Abacha was a bad man. You are worse than Abacha. Abacha is even an angel when it comes to Buhari. Wicked man. If your wife and children cannot tell you to leave, if your advisors cannot tell you to leave, the whole world is telling you to resign. Buhari, resign. Enough is enough. Please share this video. I'm Dr. Vowero and I'm reporting from the UK. God bless you. I gotta sign off. I gotta continue my workout. But please go and tell that man to resign. Femi Additional, you are just a boy. Just drop your paper and go and be writing for papers. Go and be writing for different media houses. Go and be writing stories and stop being used. As of Sheuga, that one, we dey wait for you. Buhari, resign. God bless you. I gotta sign off. God bless you. Bye-bye.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.